नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू SBI सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। सो ऑल द थ्री मेजर US इंडाइसेस एंडेड ट्यूसडे सेशन इन द रेड, weighed down by rising geopolitical tensions. Iran's threat of launching its largest and most intense missile attack on Israeli soil escalated concerns across the Middle East. The Nasdaq fell by 1%, the S&P 500 declined by 0.84%, and the Dow shed 0.70%. The S&P 500 continues to consolidate within a narrow band of 6,059 to 5,963 for the past 5 sessions. Talking about Brent crude found support near its 200-day EMA and rebounded sharply by nearly 6% on Tuesday, closing at $75.98 and forming a robust bullish candle. Going ahead, the zone of $76.8 to $77 may act as a key resistance, while the support lies around $73.5 to $73.2. Talking about the US dollar index, the US dollar index bounced back on Tuesday, gaining 0.7% to close at 98.82. Despite the rebound, it remains below its crucial moving averages. The immediate resistance is seen near the 20-day EMA zone of 98.9 to 99, while the support lies at 98.2 to 98. Talking about Nifty's view on Tuesday, the benchmark index Nifty traded within a narrow range of 168 points and settled lower by 0.37% near the 24,850 level. On the daily chart, it formed a small-bodied bearish candle reflecting indecision with a downward tilt. Technically, despite the day's decline, the benchmark index Nifty managed to close above its 20-day EMA, which continues to act as an immediate support zone. However, momentum indicators and oscillators are showing signs of fatigue, reflecting a lack of clear directional strength. This suggests that the index may remain in a consolidation phase unless a decisive breakout occurs on the either side. क्रूशियल लेवल्स की बात करें तो 24,730 टू 24,700 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 24,700 के नीचे फिसलता है तो अगला क्रूशियल सपोर्ट 24,550 के लेवल पर होगा। वही ऊपर की तरफ 24,980 टू 25,000 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट हर्डल के रूप में काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 25,000 के ऊपर सस्टेन करता है तो शॉर्ट टर्म में 25,150 का लेवल टेस्ट करने की संभावना है। On the derivative front, the June futures dipped by 0.51%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series surged by 0.24%. The 24,900 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 25,000 strike. On the put side, 24,800 has a substantial open interest followed by 24,700 strike. For the weekly series, OIPCR is at 0.83. Talking about Bank Nifty also ended on a negative note on Tuesday. Most noteworthy, it has slipped below its 20-day EMA level. The momentum indicator suggests a lack of momentum. आगे जाके 55,400 to 55,300 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 55,300 के नीचे फिसलता है तो अगला क्रूशियल सपोर्ट 54,900 के आसपास मिलेगा। वही ऊपर की तरफ 56,000 टू 56,100 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इंपॉर्टेंट हर्डल के रूप में काम करेगा। Talking about Sensex view on the weekly expiry date, the benchmark index Sensex also traded within a narrow range of 463 points and ended on a negative note. On a daily scale, it has formed a small bearish candle. आगे जाके 81,200 टू 81,100 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। वही ऊपर की तरफ 81,900 टू 82,000 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल होगा। On the derivative front, the weekly futures dipped by 0.39% and the open interest of the current series has also surged by 24.17%. The 82,000 strike has significant call open interest followed by the 82,500 strike. On the put side, 81,500 has substantial open interest followed by an 81,000 strike. The OIPCR is at 0.66. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility index India VIX slipped by nearly 3% on Tuesday and ended on a negative note for the second consecutive trading session. The advanced decline ratio tilted in the favor of decliners. Talking about the key sectors, Nifty IT is likely to continue its outperformance in the short term. While on the flip side, the Nifty Metal, Pharma, Healthcare, PSU Bank and FMCG sectors are likely to underperform in the short term. Talking about the FI/DI data, in the cash segment, both the FIs and DIs were net buyers yesterday to the tune of 1,483 crores and 8,207 crores respectively. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 20.9, as on a net basis they bought 2,260 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.